Hello, YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am back. And redemption. It has been a great week of doing everything that needs to be done, doing it right. And it's just been a blast, to be honest with you. Because I was not jumping around doing all kinds of crazy stuff. It's now a little after 1 in the morning on Saturday, so Friday night going into Saturday. But I just want a victory lap, I guess. And I just want to show you what I've got going. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of fun. There, today I put in a switch machine for a turnout. And I'm going to show you the picture of this. It's very, very small space. But I planned for it. I knew it was going to work. I wired it all up first. So it just went up there. I just had to adjust it a little bit to where it's flipping it back and forth correctly. Sold. Done. And it was the first one I did at a horizontal switch machine. Normally I get the big ones, but like in that space, I really am beginning to like the horizontal ones because there's only 3 screws that hold it in, and there's one on the top and 2 on the bottom, and so it makes it a little bit easier to fine tune it, and it was great. I mean, you see the picture. It worked. It worked. It worked. So, I mean, that was great. I put inside of here a connector so that I could test lights if they were good or bad. And I didn't put it out here. I put it in there. You can see it. Because I was afraid of going to spill something on it and short everything out. So I just have to pull this open a little bit. Put the wires in there. 9 out of 10 times I can get them to light up if they're going to. If they don't light up, I would clamp them down. They won't work. They were gone. There's a bunch gone. But everything I made a huge mistake before. Never thought. I'm not going to give you the whole story because it's just stupid and long. But once I really dug into this, I told you I was doing an autopsy, and I did. And it was just a stupid guy who was doing the wiring, who didn't think it through. So all been redone, new lighting, actually extra lighting. So it has been fun. I've got, well, I tell you what, I'm going to switch around this and I'm going to show you around. Okay? Be right back. Be right back. Okay, and this actually shows the lighting a little bit better. It's not real bright in here. Okay? So, I got that from our store, fallenflagsdesigns.com. I just really like that. I just think that is really cool. But let me flip some switches here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. The guys are welding again in the shop. So now we have this guy over here. Well, guess what? He's getting a ticket. Got a Mustang going too fast. Can't do it. So I'm going to look over here. And I'm going to move this. And oh my goodness, there's another cop. And this dude has crashed into the bridge. Crashed into it. there was a sign. He knocked it down. I got to get another one. It said, caution, no trucks, clearance 7 feet. Well, that didn't work too well. But I really like that. I really do. I really do. That's just awesome. The guy at Indiana Mainline, he did a great job with that. And before I knew who he was, a friend of mine sent me a picture of this with a trailer on it, knowing I would be laughing my butt off, and I did. And it happens a lot. So anyway, so we got the lights. Guess what? We even gave the chemical company back here a light, put it in for them, because they were working in the dark, and that's just wrong. It's just wrong. So the lights are all in. They're pretty. I got cop cars doing things like that. And walk down here a little bit. See where the outlines for the road is going to be. And over here is the turnout that I put in. And I know you're all laughing at this. What in the heck is he doing? Well, it has to go here. And you saw the space. It was small, but I got it in there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that 2 foot by 2 foot table, hook it into this, and it'll be fine. But it was a good way. I mean, it was the fastest, best install of a switch machine on my part. I had the wiring done. I like the 3-point thing so that you could, it has 3 screws, not 4 screws. It's got 1 on one side and 2 on the other. You put the one in and then adjust it a little bit, fine tune it so that it works. I think I turned it on. Oops. If I can find the button, there we go. There you go. Works like a champ. So thank you for stopping by and listening to this, but I'm really just over the top with how the past week and a half has gone. The autopsy I did on this thing was brutal, but I got to do it right. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. It has been a pleasure to work on this layout, and I just can't wait, man. I mean, I'm really excited for what's happening here, and my mindset. So I appreciate it. We'll talk with you again soon, and I promise pretty soon, because I got some cool stuff I want to show you. So thank you for stopping by, y'all. I appreciate you. You have no idea. With what I was doing there for about last 2 months, was horrible. But that is still cool. I love that. Anyway, see y'all. We will talk soon. All right. Bye-bye.